There's magic in every stitch, a little piece of history. Today, we bring dreams to life. In this sanctuary, amidst the chaos, I've found my voice, and now I share it with the world. Ready, Toto? Another masterpiece awaits our approval. Toto approved, as always. Hey, Lydia. Yes, we're on track. Excited for the new collection launch?
Absolutely. It's going to be amazing. The world is ready for more of your magic, Emma.
To dreams realized, and more to come. There's something magical about tonight. What if these designs could reach beyond these walls? I can see it now. Each piece a story, a piece of history, a whisper of who we are. Ready to take on the world, Toto? Let's do this. Hours. It's been hours, but it's all worth it. This place? It's more than just a studio now. It's our little world, isn't it, Toto? Each piece, a thread of who I am, woven with care and a bit of history. I can feel it. Every stitch, every story. It's like magic. Let's keep going, Toto. We've got stories to tell. Ethereal Stitchery was launched with little fanfare. The beginning was slow, sales were sparse, and digital obscurity lingered like a wary specter. I faced moments of doubt, of wondering if my dreams were merely whispers lost in the vast, echoing void of the internet. But we keep going, don't we, Toto? We've got stories to tell. All right, Emma, let's figure this out.
Find anything interesting?
It's incredible how much there is to learn. Social media marketing, SEO, customer engagement. It's like a whole new world.
You've always had a knack for adapting things to your style. Remember when you turned that old coat into a whole new jacket?
Yeah, I suppose. But this is different. It's more than just stitching. It's about reaching people, telling our story.
Woof.
And you're doing just that. Look how far we've come already.
You're right. If they can do it, so can we. It's just about finding our own path, right?
Exactly. And whatever path we choose, we'll make it uniquely ours.
All right, let's get to work. Let's show the world what Ethereal Stitchery is all about. You won't believe it, Lydia. We've finally made it.
What happened?
An influencer found us. She's into vintage. Posted about our scarf.
No way, that's incredible.
Her post went viral. Orders are pouring in like never before.
That's the power of social media for you.
I never imagined our little attic creations would reach so far.
It's your storytelling, Emma. It connects with people.
And now, people everywhere will see what we can do. Ethereal Stitchery is finally on the map.
Balk.
Even Toto's excited.
Let's keep the momentum going. We've got a world to reach. I can't believe how many orders we've gotten. It's unbelievable.
It's what we've been working for, right? You should be proud.
I am, but it's a lot to handle. I don't want to let anyone down.
Balk.
See? Even Toto knows you've got this.
You're right. We'll make this work. I guess it's time to clear some space and maybe get a few more of these.
I'll start reorganizing. We can make this attic the heart of something even bigger.
All right, let's get to it. Lydia, have you seen the comments on our last post? People are really connecting with our story.
That's amazing, Emma. It's like we're inviting them into our little world here.
Exactly. Like they're part of Ethereal Stitchery. Like each piece is a piece of them too.
And they are. Each story you share, each stitch you make, it all resonates.
Even Toto agrees. I love how each customer feels a connection to what we're doing.
You know, I think that's why they keep coming back. It's not just the craft, it's the story behind it.
Yeah, it's about creating something meaningful, and sharing that journey makes it all the more special.
You've definitely nurtured something beautiful here. It's like a family.
A family that keeps growing, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Narration. For those of you out there who are just beginning, keep nurturing your creativity. Your story is woven through each thread and stitch, and someone out there is waiting for it.
The orders just keep coming, don't they? It's amazing how much this place has grown.
I never imagined it would turn into this. What started as a little dream has become, well, something much bigger.
And you did it all on your own at first. That's incredible.
I had a vision, but it was when you joined that this place truly became something more. It's like we're weaving not just threads, but a story together.
It's an honor to be part of it. This isn't just an attic anymore. It's a heartbeat of creativity and resilience.
And I wouldn't have it any other way. We're a team now, and that's what makes Ethereal Stitchery special. You know, it wasn't always like this. This attic was once just a quiet corner of my life, a place where I could dream and create.
And now it's transformed into so much more. It's like a hub of inspiration.
Exactly. It's become a place where dreams come alive, where connections are made with people all over the world.
And it's all because of your dedication and courage. You stayed true to your vision, Emma.
It's the only way I know. Staying true to oneself is the real secret, isn't it?
A testament to the power of innovation and perseverance. I'm glad to be part of this journey with you.
And I wouldn't have it any other way. Together, we're weaving something truly special. Thank you all for joining us today. I hope our journey inspires you to chase your passions and embrace your dreams with open arms. For those of you out there who are just beginning, keep nurturing your creativity. Your story is woven through each thread and stitch, and someone out there is waiting for it.
It's true. Your creativity and passion can touch lives in ways you might never expect.
Remember, you're never alone on this journey. We're all in this together. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video.